Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the DPO plugin for PrestaShop 1.7.7. Let's get started. To begin, you're going to want to head over to GitHub, DPO Group, DPO PrestaShop, and navigate to the Releases tab. Next, you're going to need to download the DPO Group PrestaShop plugin version 1.0.0 for PrestaShop version 1.7.7x, which is the latest version of the plugin at the release of this video. You might be using a later version of this plugin, and that's great too. You'll need to save this zip in a safe location on your computer when downloading. Common places for this are either the Downloads folder for your user or the desktop. Once downloaded, you're going to want to extract the file. Many operating systems now come with built-in file extractors. However, if your operating system doesn't have this functionality, you can use a free unzipping program such as WinZip. Alternatively, you can go to google.com and search for unzipping application and see what you can find. Once extracted, you'll want to expand the folder. You'll see two files in here, namely the DPO zip and the instructions PDF. The next step is to open the instructions PDF and follow the steps contained therein. Step 1 is to log into your PrestaShop admin area. Let's do that now. Once logged in, you're going to want to move your mouse to the left under the Improve section and expand the Modules dropdown. Then you're going to click on the Module Manager link. Now you're going to click on the Upload a Module button. Steps 2 and 3 are somewhat combined, but in order to complete step 3, you'll need to ensure that php_zip extension is installed on your server. Normally it should be, but if you get an error at the end of step 3, then you'll need to install it or have it installed by your web host. Now you'll continue with step 3 by clicking the Select File button, then navigating to the recently extracted folder and selecting the dpo.zip file and then click Open. Alternatively, you can just drop it in the window here. Once complete, the window should change to say Module Installed. Now you'll need to click on the Configure button to proceed to step 4. The next window that loads will be the settings for the DPO Group Payment plugin. There are two fields here. There's a field for the DPO company token and for the service type. Both of these will be provided to you by DPO Group when you register. Below that is the Test Mode toggle, which has a yes or no option, and the Debug toggle, which has yes and no. By default, you should leave both set to no if you're wanting this payment gateway to be a live transactional gateway. Once you've set all the settings, move your mouse to the right and click Save. If for some reason you don't go to this configure page directly, there is another way to access the settings for the module. To do that, move your mouse to the left and click on the Module Manager link, and then search for DPO in the search box at the top. Then click on the Configure button next to the DPO Group Payment Gateway, and this will take you to the same window. Now that it's all configured, let's test it on the front end to make sure it's connected properly. To do this, simply go to the front end of the site, add a product to your cart, and proceed to checkout. Once you get to the payment section of checkout, select the Pay via DPO Group option and click Place Order. If the DPO Group payment page displays as it is here, that means that the plugin has been configured correctly. Congratulations!